Hey friends, welcome to another Amazon product review and unboxing. So if you've been following along, we've had some flea issues out in the little area that the cats sleep in. They're in the we have like little pea gravel in the for the floor, and I've been spraying like bleach, diluted bleach in there, kills them. But then I guess there's stages of fleas where they have like a pupa and then a larva, and then they have this little like shell thing that they hide in, and they're basically invincible in there. And then they come out of that when they sense like vibrations or heat or something like that. It's really weird. So so they can hide in that little stage for a long time. So even if you spray and kill all the fleas, which the bleach does a really good job of, then those other ones that are in those little shells can lie dormant for a long time and just wait for someone to come stomping by or whatever, and then they break out of that and come attack you. So there's like more fleas again. So even if you kill them all, there's like how the heck did more come back? And that's kind of how it works. So interesting little creatures, almost invincible. What we have here, I picked this up off of Amazon for about $17, and it's a glue pad with a light, basically. And let's open this up. So it doesn't, I don't really like using chemicals and stuff around the pets or anything. So this looked like it might be a safe alternative to just kind of like get the rest of them. If there's any, well, I went out there last time and stomped around, of course, and there was no fleas. So what we have here is just fairly simple construction. It's just this little top portion, and then we have this cord here. Okay, this is your little light bulb is going to go on here, so just unscrew this. Okay, this goes in the top here, and then that screws down onto that. Kind of hold it in place there, just like that. In here, should have a little light bulb. Came with 2 light bulbs, so we got a backup. It's kind of nice to have an additional one. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Good night. Okay. Okay, there's that. We just screw our little light bulb in here, just like that. And then it has a user's manual here, and it came with a couple of sticky pads. So the sticky pads will pretty much just hold these in here. I think you could put some water. I'm going to try to maybe put some water in here with a little bit of Dawn soap. Kind of mix that together and just put that in there if you have a level surface, and that fleas also will die in that. So you can buy additional sticky pads, and I did do that. So I have like I think this is like a 10-pack or something of extra ones just in case we need them. So I'll link those in the description below too if you guys want to check them out. But there you go. You just peel that off, and it should be oh, that is really sticky. So you want to put this in the bottom of your thing here, just like that. Sticks the fleas firmly. And then this goes right on top. So it has these little edges, these little corners here, corners or edges. And then those have a little hole right here, and those fit into the top of those just like that, and just kind of line them up. Each one will get one in, get this one, and then we'll line up the third one, and then just kind of press those down just like that. Okay, so that is that. I'm trying to get this, I guess it doesn't matter if that's down or not. And I'll plug it in behind me here real quick, and we can see. Apparently doesn't have a little switch on there. So that is it right there. And it is an incandescent bulb, and you notice it's got a different let's see. So it's kind of a reddish light. I guess fleas are attracted to different colors of light, and this is probably one that will attract them. And also this is an incandescent bulb, so it's going to have a little bit more heat, and the fleas like heat as well. So I'm going to go put this out in our little cat area. And although I went out there the other day and I stomped around and there was no fleas at all, so naturally when this comes in, maybe all our flea problem is gone. But I'm gonna go put this out there, leave it for a little while, and then we'll come back. We'll check on it and see if we have caught any fleas. So let's do that. Okay, so the moment of truth. Here we are. So we can see there are some little bugs there. Let's see if we can't focus on that. Oh yeah, it's a little flea and like little baby fleas as well in there. So this one works actually decently. The light there attracts them, the heat, and they try to go kill the light, and then they all get stuck on there. So this one works pretty good, guys. Don't have a lot of fleas out here. I was just trying to get the rest of them, you know. And seems like it worked out all right. See if the cat can sense the fleas or not. Doesn't like to go on the rocks, maybe because there's fleas. Oh, there we go. Is it safe, Thomas? Are there fleas gone? Oh, I don't know. It says. Let me go up there in the little ladder. But it looks like it works pretty good, guys. As far as like getting some, there's some other bugs. Looks like some kind of an ant or something there. But for the most part, they look like little flea-type creatures. So, if you're looking for a decent little flea trap here, this one does pretty good. The rocks are lava. Thomas, the rocks are lava. He's like, doesn't want to walk on the rocks. As we used to have a ton of fleas in the rocks, so the cat's got a little traumatized. But now they're all better. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this review. Hope it's helpful for you. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.